Hello all, welcome back. So now I will show you how to install DeepSeek locally in your computer and you can use it. This setup is completely private and your data will not go outside. You just, even if you don't connect the internet after you install this model and you don't need, it will still work and it do not need any internet for it to function. So it need internet only during the setup and after that you can even disconnect and use. So if you have an old device lying around, you can use it and test the AI model here. And let me show you how we will do this first. So this is completely free and you can use it with any laptop. So the minimum requirement is 8 GB RAM and a decent graphics card, but it can still work even without graphics card, but the performance can be bit slow. You can use this to create pictures or even to work with documentation or something. You can do this if you don't want to use the private cloud models and just have to use the on-prem version. So first, go and search for Ollama model. So first, we have to install Ollama in your computer. So let's download it. You choose its Windows. If you are using Mac OS or Linux, you can use approximate command, which is here in the terminal. I'm going to use it for the Windows, so I'm just going to download the Windows. So So the download has started. It has like around 1.5 gigs of data needed to download this. So let's see. So the download is almost completed, and let's install this. So yeah, now the installation has started. So let's try installing this first. So now the installation is completed. So now let's install DeepSeek here. To do that, you have to run command prompt or PowerShell as administrator. Let's try with the command prompt first and see if it works. Um, Okay, so command prompt is there. So this is what you have to run, this command, and let's see. So the command is successfully getting executed in the command prompt. Let's wait for this model to first set up. And once the installation is completed, we can test how it works. Yeah, so the installation is completed and now DeepSeek is locally installed in your computer. And to launch, you can close this window. You can just go back and open Ollama and click New Chat. In the chat, you can see here in the drop down, there are many models which is available here. But we already downloaded the DeepSeek, so I'm selecting the DeepSeek. And now we can simply chat. I would always recommend instead of directly installing this into your personal computer, you can either create a virtual machine in your computer and you can test this inside that. Or if you have a computer which is lying around unused, um, so please use that for testing, just for security and privacy. Um, and this, of course, do not need internet now once you download it, but it might need an update if you are changing the model on a later stage. So that time you need to do this update. So you can use this for a lot of purposes, and this can be used as a private AI as well. Yeah, as I said earlier, just make sure you are running this on a virtual machine. You can create a virtual machine in your computer and give a try if it works for you. That's what I would suggest. And Yeah, thank you for your time. So you can also try this, and this is completely free of cost, and you can run this in a pretty decent computer if you which you have, so without any cost. So I would recommend everybody to give a try and see how it works for you. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this, please like, share, and subscribe so that I can create more and more contents like this. Thank you for your time and see you. Have a great day.